In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Connecting these two platforms can be an essential step for anyone looking to effectively manage their financial transactions online, especially if you're selling products or digital downloads through Gumroad. Payoneer is a great option because it allows you to receive payments from different currencies and platforms with ease. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Gumroad's website. If you have an account, that's fantastic. If not, you can easily create one by following the straightforward sign-up process. Once you're on the Gumroad homepage, look for the login option in the top right corner. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. For those already logged in, let's focus on the next step. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the Settings option, which is usually found towards the bottom. Click on that, and you'll be directed to your account settings. This is where you'll manage various aspects of your account. Once you're in the Settings area, your next destination is the Payment section. In this section, you'll have different options regarding how you want to receive your payments. Since we are connecting Payoneer, we'll be adding your bank account details from Payoneer. Now, look for the Bank Account section within the payment area. You'll likely see a button that says Add Bank Account. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll input your Payoneer bank details. If you don't have your Payoneer account details handy, now is a good time to grab them. Switch over to your Payoneer account. If you don't have a Payoneer account yet, you can create one by visiting their website and signing up. It's pretty straightforward. Your Payoneer account should provide you with bank details that you can use to receive payments. Typically, this will include your account number, routing number, and possibly some other information, depending on which currency and region you're operating in. Once you have your Payoneer bank details, return to the Gumroad Payment section. You'll need to enter those details into the fields provided. It's crucial to ensure that all the information you input is accurate. A small mistake can lead to payment issues down the line. After entering all the necessary information, take a moment to double-check everything. Once you're confident that everything is correct, look for a confirmation button, often labeled Save or Submit. Click that button, and your bank account linked to Payoneer will now be connected to your Gumroad account. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Payoneer to Gumroad. Now, whenever you make sales on Gumroad, you'll be able to receive your payments directly into your Payoneer account. This integration can help simplify your payment processes and is particularly useful for freelancers, creators, and entrepreneurs around the globe. To wrap things up, make sure to explore any additional settings or preferences in your Gumroad account, as there may be options specific to transaction notifications, tax settings, and more that you might want to customize. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content like this. If you have any questions, or if there's something specific you'd like to learn about in the future, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy